Hello guys, this is news update number 51. So the Olympics is in news every day, but today for the wrong reason with related to India. Deepak Punia's coach, okay, which you see in picture here, he is actually thrown out now of the games and the games village because of physically assaulting the referee. So this happened today, even though the match was yesterday where he had lost. Deepak Punia had lost the match, and you would have seen the tweet also from Prime Minister and all. Like it was like a very narrow defeat. Okay, the last minute and the last 15 seconds or so, the score changed because boxing, you know, the score and all based on the punch, based on the grab, and whatever happens, the points go. Okay, any minute it can change. In the last second, it was overturned, and so the coach was actually angry. So he lost his cool, and today he actually went and physically assaulted, is what the news is coming in, and it is officially confirmed also. The Indian contingent there, they have already confirmed it. So Deepak Punia, Tokyo Olympics, his foreign coach Murad Gaidrov, he's actually a Russian Siberian person. He was thrown out of the game village after attacking a referee. So this accreditation which they have, okay, the title, that is cancelled by the IOC, International Olympic Committee. And if you see the news, it is learned that after Punia's defeat in the 86 kilogram freestyle bronze medal bout against San Marino's Miles Nazim on Thursday, he lost 4-2. Okay, actually he was leading 2-1 or something. So that's what in the last second it changed to 4-2. So it was a very narrow defeat. So you can get angry, you can get frustrated or upset and all, but reacting this way is totally wrong. Okay, if you see, he had reached till here because of technical superiority victories. That means in wrestling, if you take, okay, the term technical superiority or technical fall, it's like when you are leading with a very high score, like 13-2 or 14-2, that kind of very like easy victory he had. Or maybe weak opponents he had, I don't know, but he had reached till the semis, and we were expecting a bronze medal. But when this losing happened, it is fine. It can happen with everyone. But the way the coach has reacted, that is wrong. And this Murad Gaidrov, he's a 2008 Beijing Olympic silver medalist, and he had his this thing cancelled now, as I told, by the Worldwide Olympic Committee after he bodily assaulted a referee. This is the news. So he's a 2008 Olympic winner, but before that, it's like a usual thing for him. He has even physically assaulted someone else also long back. So the international governing body, that is the worldwide body of this wrestling federation, that is this FILA body, immediately reported the matter to International Olympic Committee and also called the Wrestling Federation of India. Okay, WFI. They were also called and were asked for urgent action, and they apologized. The Federal Association, sorry, India's association, they have apologized and also told like we are terminating this person, and he's no longer the coach, and so action has been taken. So because as I told, it's a repeat offender. Okay, so here in 2004 Athens, okay, Greece Olympics, in this thing, he was again seen attacking the opponent, okay, after his defeat in some quarter-final match. So it's a repeated offender kind of thing. So such people has to be taken off from the position. Okay, how much ever he is a good coach or whatever his reputation is there in that field, if the ethics and manners are not followed, this action has to be taken, and it is rightly done. Okay, so the International Olympic Committee has cancelled his accreditation and has written to the Indian contingent in Tokyo that he has asked to leave the games village immediately. We have received the IOC letter and we have initiated action against Murad. It is a serious disciplinary breach, said this Indian contingent official. And also the president of this Indian body, Indian Wrestling Federation, confirmed the issue and said that the federation could have faced a ban from the international body for the coach's behavior. We have somehow been let off during the disciplinary hearing, or else we could have faced a ban, meaning the entire Wrestling Federation of India could have faced a ban. It was a very serious issue, but we have apologized and he have been removed from the position. So it is actually ended fine as of now, but it's still a black mark on the Federation of India. Okay, Wrestling Federation of India. So you should know like how much ever you win Olympics and all, because we have Sushil Kumar also, who had won Olympic medal, and he was like a celebrity and going everywhere in talk shows and everywhere he was there. And he's supposed to be a face of India. He was holding the flag also once in the Olympics, but he was like involved in this, the murder charges which was there, and there's a video also out there. So he, after being arrested also, he had no signs of remorse or guilt, and he's like again walking around like a celebrity, like a video, video was there in the internet, and it was like clearly seen. Okay, he and around 12 to 13 others is hitting a junior guy, and he was dead. Okay, and when shifting from jail also, he has no regret. He is like posing for photos, he's taking selfies, and this is the situation. Okay, so when you cannot handle success, it is a very bad thing. Okay, many people are there who from nothing, when they suddenly become an overnight celebrity, okay, it will be because of their hard work, it will be because of all their efforts. But if you cannot handle that success, and if you cannot manage that image in public, okay, then it's very bad. So this is again other examples which I wanted to show you. But instead of ending the video in the negative note, we'll see the what is happening in the Olympics. Okay, we have this tally of medals. If you see here, India is now 5, which is good compared to what we usually perform. So there is gold is missing as of now, but 2 silver and 3 bronzes there in these events. If you know, men's hockey team also got a bronze. Women's hockey team today lost and did not get the bronze. But we have a silver in wrestling again. So like this, good things are also happening. So just spread the good things around. Okay, this one, because a student asked me to make a video, I have made a video on this. So you can also tell in comment section like how many more medals you are expecting, like whether we'll get a gold this time. You can tell us in comment section. I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.